So here is shop app, and right now MrBeast is running cool promotion. So you have still time to request a gift from MrBeast. So to do that, you need to open the shop app, and then you need to find MrBeast store. This is the store, and then you can get on MrBeast gift list. Request any product you can find in the shop app. So from here you can just go and then just tap on it, and then yeah, you see some reviews. This is a legit offer, so this is not some kind of a scam. MrBeast confirmed it on XApp everywhere, but there are some limitations. You can only request one gift, and it's only available in specific countries. It's only open to residents of US, Australia, Canada, metropolitan France, Germany, Malaysia, Mexico, Netherlands, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Turkey, United Kingdom, 18 plus, or age of majority. Contest runs from 12 p.m. US Eastern Time on December 16th to 11:59 US Eastern Time on January 6th. For 5 a.m. UTC on January 7th. Yeah, 2100 shop app prices available. So yeah, that's what you have here. You can see some reviews. So here you can just read that. So yeah, kind of cool. That's what it is. So definitely give it a try. And then how it works, you just tap request a gift if you are eligible. And then you need to enter the address where you want to deliver. And then basically you just complete the order from here, so you can just see yeah, how it looks like. And then you also need tell the product and tell why, and then yeah, so you can get not just products from MrBeast store, but from any shop on the shop app, which is basically any Shopify store out there. And then yeah, you can just request a gift from MrBeast, and it's a free shop, a free order, so you don't need to pay, then just tap complete order. So that's that. Give it a try.